Hi, today I am going to explain you that how can you manage the process of receiving and returning the ONU devices. First, download the Excitel Heroes application from Play Store. I already downloaded the application. Now open the application and click on login button to enter the user ID and password. I am entering the user ID and password. Now click on login button. The system will take you to the dashboard. Here on dashboard you will find the new module with the name of asset management, from where you will scan the barcode of the ONU devices to confirm the receiving, and you can also send back the ONU devices to Excitel. Now in asset management there are three categories. Let me introduce you about all the three categories. The first one is purchase order. As of now, there is no use of it. Excitel will decide either it will show on your app or not. The second one is internal orders. From here, you will confirm the receiving of ONU devices. And the third one is sending. From here, you will send back the ONU devices which is not working to Excitel. We will discuss the process of returning device in the next video. In this video, we will check out the process of receiving ONU devices. Now go to internal orders. Here you find the orders which you are going to receive. You will have only one or max two orders to confirm. Just to show you how it's look like, I am taking three orders here. So on the screen you can see the order number, and just below the order number you will find the information of carton box and devices, that how many carton box and the devices you are going to receive. And just above the order number you will find the order status, in transit or receiving. In transit means you have pending orders to confirm the receiving, and the receiving boxes means you have started the process of scanning and the scan one device out of it. There is a due date in right side of the order. It means the expected date of receiving order. On the top of the orders there is a search box, so you can directly search an order. Now let's start with receiving the order. To receive the devices, click on an order. The application will open the camera to scan. First, we have to scan the carton boxes. Now, place the barcode in the scanning frame and click on capture button. The system will check the status of the carton box and update that the carton box is successfully scanned. Now, here we have two options: scan next and end scanning. If you click on end scanning, the application will stop the scanning process, but the order receiving is still pending. If you click on scan next, then it asks to scan the next carton box. So click on scan next button. Suppose if you not receive the any other carton box, then you can click on no more boxes. You can check another video on it. As of now, I am assuming that I have received all the boxes and start scanning the next carton box. Here I am again place the barcode in the scanning frame and click on capture button. The system again check the status of the device. Here we have scanned all the boxes successfully. Now we have to scan the devices. Click on scan the devices. I am going to scan the first device. So place the barcode in the scanning frame again and click on capture button. The system will check the status of the device and confirm that you have successfully scanned the device and it will receive in your inventory. Here we again have the same option. Now click on scan next to scan another device. Suppose if you not receive any other devices, then you can click on no more devices button. Or if you receive broken device, then you can click on the device is broken button. You can check another video on these topics. As of now, I am assuming that I have received all the devices and scanning the next device. Place the barcode again in the scanning frame and click on capture button. We have successfully scan the device Now wait for the status. Here we have successfully scanned all the ONU devices. Now click on complete button to complete the receiving of ONU devices. You can check all ONU inventory in Procare. If you want to check, then log in into Procare account. Here I am on my Procare portal. To check inventory, go to Fiber to Hope button and click on list of ONUs. Here you find all the list of ONUs which you received from Excitel Heroes application. Now we are done with the whole process of receiving ONU devices. Thank you.